My name's Leo Boyd. I'm a printmaker and occasional street artist. So my mum is a printmaker and she always told me to do screen printing, and I completely ignored her for about 15 years because I wanted to be a painter. And then 15 years later I tried printmaking, screen printing, and realised that she was right straight away and became a full-time screen printer. I get most of my inspiration from the comics that I read when I was a kid. I used to read a lot of comics. I mean, I don't so much anymore, but 2000 AD would have been a very big influence. But also a lot of like pop artists, and Banksy would also be a fairly big influence. I got commissioned to do this by DC Tours and Bullitt Hotel. This is a kind of pop art Belfast piece, which is a kind of mashup of B-movie posters and 1960s romance comics.